Welcome all. From this presentation onwards, we are going to talk about data structure. In this presentation, I will introduce what is linked list, basic operations of linked list, different implementation of linked list, singly linked list, operations on singly linked list, doubly linked list. That's all. So we are discussed in linked list. A linked list is a sequence of data structure which are connected together via link. That means हम कह सकते हैं लिंक लिस्ट एक सिक्वेंशियल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होता है. दैट मीन्स ये एक दूसरे से एक लिंक के थ्रू कनेक्ट होता है. देन लिंक लिस्ट इज अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ लिंक्स विच कंटेन आइटम्स. ईच लिंक कंटेन्स अ कनेक्शन टू अनदर लिंक. दैट मीन्स ये एक दूसरे से एक लिंक से कनेक्ट होते हैं एंड सिक्वेंशली कनेक्ट होते हैं. देन एक लिंक कुछ आइटम्स या कुछ वैल्यूज़ को कंटेन करता है. देन लिंक लिस्ट इज़ द सेकेंड मोस्ट यूज्ड data structure after array. Then linked list can be defined as a collection of objects called nodes that are randomly stored in the memory. Then a node contains two fields, data stored and particularly address and the pointers. That means एक जो नोड होता है उस नोड में टू वैल्यूज़ स्टोर होती हैं. उस नोड में टू फील्ड्स होती हैं. दैट मीन्स वन फील्ड इज़ डिनोटेड बाय एड्रेस एंड सेकेंड फील्ड इज़ डिनोटेड बाय नेक्स्ट एड्रेस. द लास्ट नोड ऑफ द लिस्ट कंटेन पॉइंटर्स टू द नल. And next is the linked list is a dynamic data structure. The number of nodes in a linked list is not fixed and can grow and shrink on demand. The next topic is following are the important terms to understand the concept of linked list. So we have an example. That means we have a one node that means divided with two fields. First field denoted data, then second field denoted address and also link. Then last point is that tel, and it's also called null value. Then basic operations is that following are the basic operations supposed by link. That means insertion, deletion, display, then search, then delete. So insertion is that adds elements at the beginning of the list. Then deletion is that deletes an elements at the beginning of the list. Then display is that display the complete list. Then search is that search an element using given key. Then next is that deletes the element using given the key. Then next topic is that different implementation of linked list. We can implement linked list in four ways. First is that singly linked list, second is that doubly linked list, and third is that circular linked list, and fourth is that circular doubly linked list. So we will discuss about singly linked list. And singly linked list contain nodes which have a data part as well as address part, like next, which points to next node in the sequence of nodes. That means सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट एक नोड में डिवाइड होती है. वो नोड जो होता है वो दो फील्ड्स में कन्वर्ट होता है. दैट मीन्स एक फील्ड में हम डेटा स्टोर करते हैं, दैन नेक्स्ट फील्ड में हम नेक्स्ट नोड के एड्रेस को होल्ड करते हैं. द सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड set of elements. The number of elements may vary according to need to program. The operations we can perform on singly linked list are insertion, deletion, and traversal. And continue. A node in a singly linked list consists of two parts. That means data part and second is links part. Data part of the node store the actual information that is to be represented by the node, while the link part of the node store the address of the immediate accessor. That means we have a node, then first part denoted by value, then second part denoted by address of next node. That is called node. Operations on singly linked list is that insertion, deletion, and display. And this is an example. So consider an example where makes the obtained by the student three subjects are stored in the linked list as shown in figure. This is a complexity of linked list. Then next topic is that doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, each node contains two pointers, which a node contain a pointer to the previous as well as next node in the sequence. And next is that a doubly linked list is two-way linked list because one can move either from left to right and right to left. That means सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट में सिर्फ टू नोड्स होते थे. फर्स्ट नोड डिनोटेड एक नोड के अंदर टू फील्ड्स डिवाइडेड होती थी. फर्स्ट फील्ड एड्रेस डिनोट करता था, देन सेकंड फील्ड उसके नेक्स्ट नोड के एड्रेस को होल्ड करता था. बट इन डबली लिंक लिस्ट में हम थ्री नोड्स से एक नोड को डिफाइन करते हैं. एक नोड के अंदर हम थ्री फील्ड्स को डिफाइन करते हैं. वो थ्री फील्ड्स जो होती हैं, फर्स्ट इज़ एड्रेस, middle is address, first store a previous address, then last is denoted by next address. That means therefore in doubly linked list a node consists of three parts: node, data, pointer to the next node in sequence, a next pointer, then pointer to the previous node and previous pointer. In doubly linked list each node contains two pointers. This is an example. Thank you.